Hey guys, today we have the club car, and if it's running slower, like 5 miles per hour, I'm going to show you a simple trick to maybe fix that. Just so you guys know, these are the tools I use. I use the 5/16 wrench, socket, and then I use some needle nose pliers to pull these pins out to get these clips out of the back cover. And then of course you're going to need a replacement speed sensor that you're going to be replacing the one that's defective on your golf cart. So the first thing you want to do is remove this back panel, which is just 2 little pins. You pull those out with the needle nose pliers, pull this back panel off, and you might have to clean a little bit in here. Before you disconnect this, I will go ahead and turn the key in the off position of your golf cart. Then you want to disconnect this, remove those 2 bolts, then replace it with your replacement, which will be in the link in the description of this video. You can easily get these off of Amazon, and the direct link to that is in the description of this video. They're about 15 bucks. I mean, really cheap part. I've seen some golf cart repair shops charge 400 bucks to do what I'm doing right now, and it's literally 2 bolts, 1 connector, and it takes you maybe a whole 5 minutes to do this job. Well, what you're looking for is this adapter right here. So you want to unplug that, and then there's going to be 2 bolts that I'm going to get a better look on the other side here. But you're going to remove that, and once you remove that, this is the speed sensor for the motor. So when these go bad, usually the golf cart goes into like a standby mode to just protect the motor, and it's going to limit you to 5 to 8 miles per hour. Once you replace this sensor, you should be better off. You should be around 15, maybe 18 miles per hour. Depending on the magnet that you have in there. So let's go ahead and go underneath, and I'll show you from there. So here's a little bit better view. You can see we have a bolt down here and a bolt up there. So we're just going to get our socket set out, and you want to make sure you don't tighten these once you replace it with the new one, because this is plastic and will break pretty easy. But no doubt in my mind, if you're going slow, it's probably your speed sensor that's bad. Now this is what the old one looks like when I replaced it. This is supposed to just track the speed of your golf cart. So once you replace this, you should see a lot better performance. Well, I hope this video was helpful, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.